do is lay in bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could say. It's too late. Why do I feel like I should have known by now? 'Cause everyone is just pretending to know.
Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Chestnut Nature Park, one of the most beautiful and amazing places here in Singapore. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Chestnut Nature Park Southern Loop. Hi guys, now I'm here in Chestnut Nature Park Southern Loop. I'm just entering here into the trail. Look at that guys, it's really beautiful and peaceful. It's just all about nature guys. It's actually a lot of tallest trees here. On the other side is the main road, that's why you can hear the sound of the vehicles. Look at that guys, it's surrounded by the tallest trees, and also there's a tallest coconut over there. It's beautiful guys. If you love nature, and then you can come here in this place for hiking and also for biking. Amazing guys. It's me guys, while I'm walking into the trail, I'm just enjoying the view and nature guys. It's actually fun if you're going for a hiking into the park or nature park. It's actually Chestnut Nature Park consists of Northern Loop and Southern Loop. So now I'm here in Southern Loop. This is actually opened last April 2016. And this whole area consists of 81 hectares. It's beautiful guys, really. Look at that, guys. It's just a small pond over there. And there is said no fishing over here. So I just continue walking into the trail, guys, of Chestnut Nature Park Southern Loop. That's the view of the small pond, guys. Look at these very tall trees, guys. Guys, this is a drone hut. Drongo hut, guys. That's actually the main road, guys. And today is another nature adventure for me, guys. Stress out and sweat out. Hey, look at that, guys. It's actually nice weather. Very beautiful morning. It's me, guys. I'm still walking here in Chestnut Nature Park Southern Loop. Yeah, look at that, guys. As you can see, on the other side is a main road. That's why you can hear the loud noise of the vehicles. It's actually refreshing, guys, if you just hiking inside the park. It's a nice feeling. And thank you, guys, for joining me here and watching my videos. I hope that in this video I can help you to stress out yourself if you have something, you know, something on that you're trying to overcome with. I hope in this place and in my video can help you. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's really beautiful. An amazing place. It's beautiful, right, guys? It's all about nature. Hi guys, this is cannonball tree. That's the ball. Cannonball tree, guys. Hi guys, that's the bottom of the park. Hi guys, this is Munya hut, so that you can rest here if you're tired. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys, take care, and I love you.